see a bunch of clouds form all around Konkan side. So all these clouds, like I told, they will all be moving in an anti-clockwise direction, starting from south. If I play the animation from here, you can see the clouds coming. At one moment, there was no cloud at all in this Konkan region. So one by one images, if we are playing, we can see that the clouds are approaching from the south. They are getting intensified. The entire Konkan region is becoming active. So this scenario is expected to continue till tomorrow because of this intensity of depression, which will again intensify into cyclonic stage.
East Central and adjoining Southwest Arabian Sea and Lakshadweep area, it is moved north-northeastwards with a speed of about 15 km per hour in last 6 hours. It is intensified into a deep depression and lay towards, that is centered around 11:30 hours IST today on 10th June 2019 near latitude 12.5 degree north and longitude 70.9 degree east over East Central and adjoining Southeast Arabian Sea and Lakshadweep area. Basically, it is 250 km northwestwards from Amini Devi, Lakshadweep, and 760 km southwest of Mumbai, that is Maharashtra, and 930 km from southeast of Veeraval, that is a Gujarat state. It is very likely to intensify further into a cyclonic storm during next 24 hours and into a severe cyclonic storm subsequently in further 24 hours. It is likely to move northwestwards during next 72 hours. If we concentrate on the Goa region, the effect of this depression and after becoming a cyclonic circulation. Basically, on 10th June, the squally wind speed of reaching 50 to 60 km per hour, gusting to 70 km per hour, very likely to prevail over East Central and adjoining Southeast Arabian Sea. And over Goa coast, it will be 35 to 45 km per hour, gusting to 55 kilometers, and very likely to prevail over this region for 12 hours. Basically, its movement is from south. So South Goa is mainly going to be affected, and then frequently North Goa will be going to affected. Basically, this cyclone is just parallel to Goa coast. It is not going to strike on Goa, but because it's a parallel to Goa coast, the wind speed will be very high and the clouding will be much more and thundering will be very much intensified. That's why we have given the warning for the severe weather rainfall for next 24 hours to the South Goa as well as to the North Goa via Meenal Madam, this number. Then the next I have spoken to Srimati Neela Mohanan Madam, who is a Principal Secretary Revenue Secretariat. Personally, I made a call and already informed that the facts accordingly we have sent to all the officers. And next is at the Naval Coast Guard, I am trying to contact them personally.
Fire and emergency. Fire and emergency.
Fire also.
So people who are living near the coastal areas,
Yeah.
any warning has been given for these people?
Already warning is given. Moreover, over the telephone personally I called all the authorities to take the measures.
What about the disaster management?
Disaster management also we have sent the packs to them already to take the precautionary measure at the coastal areas of your south coast as well as north coast. We already informed them via email and fax.